In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist a withdrawal address on Binance, especially tailored for beginners. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, don't worry, we'll walk through each step together to ensure you get the hang of it. First things first, you'll need to open your Binance app. Once it's up and running, look towards the bottom of the app where you'll see several options, and you'll want to tap on Assets. This will take you to a screen where you can view your holdings. From here, locate the Send button and give that a tap. This is the starting point of our process. Now that you're in, the next step is to select your withdrawal method, but you must also choose the correct cryptocurrency coin that you wish to send. It's important to take your time and ensure you've selected the right coin, because each cryptocurrency has its own unique process and address format, and an error here could lead to complications or even loss of funds, so double check before you proceed. Once you've settled on your withdrawal method and selected your coin, it's time to move to the address section. In the address box, you'll see a little human icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This is your key to managing withdrawal addresses conveniently and securely within the Binance app. The next piece involves adding a new address. Here's how you can do it. Tap Add New Address. This action will prompt you to enter the necessary details. You'll need to input the wallet address where you want to send your funds. Ensure that this information is accurate, as mistakes in the address could result in lost cryptocurrency. Also, select the coin type once again to ensure it matches with what you previously selected. You'll also be asked to enter a label for the address. Think of this as a short name or a reminder for you about the purpose of the address or its owner, which can be very helpful in keeping things organized. After you've filled out all this information, tap Save. At this point, it's possible that Binance will prompt you to complete a security verification step. This is an important feature that helps keep your account secure, so follow any instructions carefully to ensure everything proceeds without a hitch. Depending on your settings, you might receive an email or text message to verify the addition of your new address. Finally, once the verification is complete, congratulations. You have successfully whitelisted a withdrawal address on Binance. Now, only those addresses that you've whitelisted can receive your withdrawals. This adds an extra layer of security to ensure your funds are sent only where you intend. Make sure to repeat these steps for any other wallets you wish to whitelist. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy trading.